Google Wallet's tap-to-pay feature likely to be available for kids by 2025. Google Wallet is adding the ability to allow kids with Android phones to make payments through its tap-to-pay feature by next year, as per reports. This development comes as a bid to keep pace with competitors against rivals like Apple, which allows kids to use Apple Pay through its Apple Cash family for in-store purchases as well as online payments. Citing sources, it's reported that the feature will be available to kids, allowing them to make contactless payments straight from their Android phones. It'll start rolling out to Google Wallet users in the US and other select regions as early as 2025. Once rolled out, kids can make tap-to-pay purchases via standard authentication options such as fingerprint, facial recognition, PIN, or passwords. While the feature will also allow kids to store gift cards or event tickets, they won't be able to make online purchases or save health and identification cards. To ensure safe and responsible usage, parents can supervise card additions and removals and also monitor their kids' transaction history. Parents can also supervise their children's accounts through the Google Family Link app launched back in 2022, which allows parents to impose restrictions on content and screen usage.